of Assam there, in the middle of nowhere.
State Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Minister Bante Dor Lingdo has defended the decision of the state government to lifting of ban on chemical fertilizers. Speaking at a program to spread awareness about the government's decision to lift the ban at Mukathen village near Smith on Monday, the minister said that the government lifted the ban in the interest of the farmers of the state. According to him, the previous government in 2014 banned the use of fertilizers without discussing with the farmers. The lifting of the ban on fertilizers will help the farmers to increase their yield and income. However, he also urged the people to adopt organic farming and it should not be discouraged.
Pagbangan itu ipi telah sofa telah jenjang dari senam. Tegajong nak kaliang jong kaliang persya idon kam kum kaliang persya ban keren ki ibro andre pediban godip ke in ground reality ke kebaca mata. Ikan mu gina orang kejing jenjang. Kejingwan jong dawai sebuah biang kan kejing rap iki nak benta bikin yo ban pendap penbiang ya kayeng kesem kejongki haga kamai keji kejongki haga jingya lenti kejongki kumu ban im tendrai mentang ani tu pi da kejingwan rap biang yang ni kadawai sebuah kan dei kejing kerku dapat lagi nomor kejongki